What up YouTube? My name is Jack Trunks, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a supported a creator code. Alright, so let's get right into the video. So guys, I'm doing a V-Bucks giveaway at 15,000 subscribers. Alright, all you guys have to do to participate is drop a like and subscribe and turn on post notification and leave a comment why you deserve to win with your Twitter or Instagram handle. That's the way for me to contact you. And good luck to everyone. And once we get 15,000 subscribers, I will pick someone in the comments. All right. Good luck. And yeah. Oh, by the way, if you guys would like to support me, use code JTF in the Fortnite item shop. It will help me to do more giveaways on this channel. So yes, use code JTF. It's 3 letters JTF. And hope you guys enjoyed the video. Today I'm going to show you how to create a support code for Fortnite. Alright, so what you want to do is go on Google, type in support creator Fortnite. I'll probably leave the links down in the description as well, but it should be the first link. Alright, and it says support a creator program. Apply, create, share, and earn. So I'm gonna apply, and as of what I know, all you need for this is any type of online social media. If you have 1,000 followers or over, or 1,000 subscribers, like on Twitch, on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. There should be a couple more, but I'll show you while I'm doing it. So I'm gonna hit apply now. Applying. Alright, legal age. Yes, I'm over 18. If you're not over 18, you click on the second one, apply as a guardian for someone between the age of 14 and 17. Tell us about yourself. Alright, so I'm gonna fill in this part and go to the next one, right? So so all the option that you have is YouTube channel, Twitch channel, Facebook, VK, I don't know what that is. Probably like another social media, Mixer, Twitter, and Instagram. I'm gonna apply with my YouTube channel. And alright, so there's a section on where you apply your creator code, and they ask for your YouTube URL. I'm gonna show you how to do that as well. You go to your YouTube channel, go to the top right. On your icon, I'm gonna do mine. After you know your email, you click on my channel, right? I'm trying to blur out that part right out of my email. And then okay, yeah, this is my channel. You go to the top and you highlight the entire URL, and that's your my channel URL. Yeah, you right click it, hit copy and paste it on under the forum for if you're doing it with your YouTube channel, unless you have another social media that has over 1,000. Hope that helps. Alright, so after they ask you about after you fill out the application, they will send you a confirmation code. And what you want to do is highlight the code, which I did right here, and they want you to paste it on your channel. So I'm gonna do that on my channel, then hit OK right after. So this is my channel. Just gonna put it on top for now. Checking. So right after you done putting it on your social media, you gotta send it to this website, to this email. It's creator-support@epicgames.com. I'll probably leave it in the link in the description below. so you guys know who to email. Then yeah, they should review your application and let you know, and I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, so after you send them an email, they should send you back an email saying support a creator. That's probably the name of the email. I probably clicked on it, and this is what the email said. It say, thank you for contacting Epic Games player support about support a creator. We're going to assign your ticket to an appropriate player support agent who will review your inquiry and respond to you as soon as possible. Alright, so then later you get another email. Alright, so here's the next email. Say, hey, here's your name. Welcome to the Epic Support a Creator program. We're excited to celebrate all the amazing content you create. What happened next? You need to provide your banking preference and tax information, and I'll click on that link as soon as I read after this. All this. After that, you receive your Epic tags and access to your dashboard. All right. So, and it'll show you how to get paid. You can get paid through your bank account or PayPal. Then, when you get paid is the first payment. The first payment will be made 60 to 90 days after you add it to the program. If you reach the minimum payment threshold of $100. After that, first payment you'll be paid every 30 days. All right. So that link right there, we're going to show you. I'm gonna click on it and let you see where it's gonna take us. Alright, so let's go back to where you applied, right? So what you wanna do, you hit sign in and you put in your information. I'm gonna do this off tab here, hold on. Alright, I'll be back on there. Hold on. Let me just alright, so I'm dragging this. Alright, yeah. So I'm signed in, right? You see on the top right, Jack Truong _YT. Right? You click on that, you hit setting, then later that setting will show you all your banking information, where you put in all your banking or PayPal. Then later you put in your W9 form. After that, all that is done, then you should be good to go. Mine was really instant, and I have my creator code already, so I'm gonna get on my Epic launcher and to show you guys how to use it. So let me do that. Alright, so you're on this tab, you're on your game. I'm on my computer right now, and if you how to use your tag, I'm just gonna try to test it out. Alright, in the game, go to item shop, you hit support the creator, right? I already have mine on there, but I'm just gonna retype it just so I can show you guys. So my tag was this one. You can change it, but you have to hit the support ticket. So I just leave the way it is because it makes sense. Jack Truong YT. That's my YouTube, you know. Hit accept. And yeah, it's right there on the top right. So like, if anybody use my code, it's right there. But that's pretty much how you make and use a supported creator. And hope you find this video useful. Drop a like if you enjoy, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more Fortnite content. Thank you for watching, and yeah, bye bye. Oh yeah, and I believe on the code is like you have to renew it every 14 days. So if you just say it'll disappear on the top right in every 14 days, right? So like you can retype the creator you want to support, or you can change it up, support a different creator. You know, if I'm wrong about the 14 days, let me know down in the comments. Other than that, thank you for watching. Bye bye.